Welcome to MyKidReports. In this video, we'll walk through the updated enrollment packet feature and show the complete process, from creating the packet, to previewing the parent experience, to reviewing the final submission. An enrollment packet is a digital collection of forms, documents, requests, and agreements that your center needs during enrollment. Instead of managing paperwork manually, MyKidReports helps you collect everything online in one organized packet. To begin, go to the Admissions section and open the Enrollment Packets tab. Here you can view your existing enrollment packets, check how many families received them, see packets in progress, and review completed submissions. To create a new packet, tap Create Packet. First, enter the packet name. For example, we'll name this Summer Camp Enrollment Packet. Use a clear name so your staff can easily identify which packet should be sent to each family. You can also edit the welcome message that parents will receive in the email. This message helps explain what the packet is for and guides families to complete the enrollment process. If your center collects an enrollment fee, registration fee, or refundable deposit during submission, you can turn on the fee option, add the fee name and amount, and if needed, mark it as a refundable deposit. To collect fees online, your school must have a payment gateway connected. Once the basic setup is ready, tap Continue. Now you can customize the Child Information section. This is where you decide what child details parents need to provide. For example, first name, last name, birthday, gender, allergies, medications, pediatrician details, emergency contact information, and other child-related fields. You can choose which fields are included, and you can mark fields as required or optional based on your center's policy. If your center needs additional child information, tap Add Question and create your own custom field. You can also organize the form layout by dragging fields into the preferred order, moving them up or down, or placing compatible fields side by side for a cleaner parent experience. Once the child information section is ready, tap Continue. Next, customize the parent information section. This section collects parent or guardian details such as relation to child, first name, last name, email, phone number, address, and other contact information. Just like child information, you can choose which fields should be included, which fields are required, and which fields are optional. If your center needs additional parent or guardian details, you can also tap Add Question and create your own custom field. You can also organize the parent form layout by dragging fields into the preferred order, moving them up or down, or placing compatible fields side by side when needed. Once the parent information section is ready, tap Continue. Now you'll reach the Packet Items step. This step is where you can add additional items to the enrollment packet, such as forms to fill, documents to read, and files parents need to upload. You can also continue with only the child and parent information forms from the previous steps. Add extra items only if your center needs contracts, handbooks, or upload requests. To add an item, tap Add Item. You'll see three options: fillable form or contract, document to share, and file request. Select fillable form or contract when parents need to complete or sign a document online. Here you can select a previously created form from your library or create a new fillable document. When creating a new fillable document, you can start from a template or upload your own PDF file and turn it into a fillable form. After choosing the file, you can rename the document. This is the name parents will see when they open the enrollment packet. You can also enable expiration if needed. This is helpful for documents that should only be used for a limited time, such as a yearly enrollment form, a current school year agreement, or any form that should not be used long-term. Next, tap Open in Editor. In the editor, MyKidReports gives you the option to detect fields automatically. You can choose Yes, Detect Fields, and the system will scan the PDF, find blank spaces, check boxes, and signature areas, then place fields on the form automatically. You can also choose to place fields manually if you prefer to build the form yourself. After automatic detection, review the fields on the PDF. If any field needs adjustment, you can move it, resize it, or tap the field to edit it. If you want help understanding the editor interface, you can tap Learn How It Works. To edit a field, tap the field, and then tap Edit. In field settings, you can update the field label, adjust the exact position and size, and control how the field behaves. You can make a field required so parents cannot submit the form without completing it. You can make a field read only so the value is shown but cannot be changed. You can also mark a field as staff only so it is completed by your team and not by families. One of the most important updates here is SmartLink. SmartLink connects a form field with information from the student profile or family profile. This helps parents avoid entering the same information again and again on different forms. For example, if the field looks like a guardian name, child name, date of birth, phone number, email, home address, allergies, emergency contact, or a classroom, MyKidReports can suggest the correct SmartLink. If the suggestion is correct, tap Link It. After linking, that field can fill automatically using the matching profile information. If the suggestion is not correct, tap Choose Manually and select the correct field from the list. This makes the form faster for parents while still allowing them to review and update the information if needed. Fields shown in green are smart-linked fields. From the Field toolbar, you can also duplicate a field or delete it if it is not needed. Once everything looks correct, tap Preview to see what parents will see. If the parent view looks correct, tap Save. Now the PDF is fillable and added to your packet items. Next, select Document to Share. This is used for files parents only need to read, download, or keep. For example, your parent handbook, tuition policy, school calendar, menu, welcome brochure, or center policies. You can choose an existing document from your library or upload a new file. Once added, parents will be able to view and download that document as part of the enrollment packet. Now select File Request. This is used when your center needs parents to upload a file. For example, birth certificate, immunization record, parent ID, proof of address, custody document, or medical form. You can select an existing request or create a new one by entering the document name and instructions. Parents will upload the required file when completing the packet. After adding your packet items, you can arrange them in the order parents should see them. Once everything is added, tap Continue. Now you'll reach the final review step. Here you can review the full packet before creating it. You'll see the child and parent information forms, along with any fillable forms, shared documents, file requests, fees, and welcome message included in the packet. You can still make changes if something needs to be updated. Before creating the packet, open what parents will experience. Here you can view the complete parent journey in one place, including the invitation email, sign-in process, packet completion, admin review, and student roster update after approval. You can also preview the form parents will fill so you can confirm all fields, forms, shared documents, file requests, and fees are included correctly. Once everything looks ready, tap Create Packet. Your enrollment packet is now created. After creating the packet, you can share it with families. You can send the packet directly by email or generate a shareable link to use on your website, in an email campaign, or with a QR code. When sending by email, first search for the child's name. If the child already exists in your student roster, you can select them from the existing student list. If the child is already in your admissions pipeline, you can select them from there as well. You can also send the packet to a new enrollee by entering the required details manually, including the child's name, parent name, and the email address where the packet should be sent. If there is another parent or guardian for the same child, you can add them too. And if you want to send the packet to another child at the same time, tap Send to another child and repeat the same process. If a fee was already added while creating the packet, the amount will appear here automatically. You can also add or adjust a charge directly before sending the packet. Next, you can set a due date for the packet. Families will see this due date in their packet email. You can also turn on email reminders to automatically remind families who have not submitted the packet. Choose how often reminders should be sent, such as once a day, and you can edit the reminder email before sending. Once everything is ready, send the packet. MyKidReports will deliver the enrollment packet to the selected family, and you can track its progress from the packet list. Once the packet is sent, you can see how many families received it, how many are in progress, and how many completed it. When a parent submits the packet, open the completed submission for review. Here you'll see the child's name, parent details, submitted time, and the packet they completed. Each submitted item appears clearly. Child information, parent or guardian information, signed forms, shared documents, uploaded files, and payments if included. Your admin team can open each item, verify the information, approve it, or send it back if changes are needed. For example, you can review child information, check the uploaded birth certificate, confirm that the enrollment agreement is signed, verify handbook acknowledgement, and confirm that the enrollment fee was paid. Once everything is reviewed, tap Approve and Enroll. The child is added to your student roster, and the parent receives a final confirmation email letting them know, so everything is complete. With the updated enrollment packet in MyKidReports, enrollment becomes faster, cleaner, and more organized. You can create customized packets, preview the parent experience, collect information, share documents, request files, and review submissions, all in one digital workflow. For the complete step-by-step admissions process, check out our full admission tutorial video. Smarter, simpler, connected. Start using the updated enrollment packet in MyKidReports today.